Ubedru Takrade Heseya. The first city I walk Ghana Umunya Habo. Ena ahano kaneno na sekendi Takrade Cape Coast mo linki ya one. In fact, Western region and na Western North and a Central region. Na bomma your friend of the Western Province.
Okay.
Na akrachi fu nyina ha na wo mufi. I mean, imagine Infante Prim School at the Saddle, Augustans, GSTS, St. John's, Mone, if Ghana National, Bakwi Wege, Holy Child, you know, engineer said the best comes from the West. Not Tamamai, Tamarabody now, Intina, Nassam, so na airport in New York. Intina Opesa would two quite quaman on near Esa Babefaha. Now, house on a factory, said, no, any BBA. Enti say near Western region asenke yakase bibi asenke ati say wutu isuo wo bulemu wo de bucket to mu asenke baby asenke anim akodu no aniwu na nya aniwu emma Western region citizens nonko for the whole country. For the whole country. If you say abrofo bu baby say the hen that lays the golden egg must not be starved. Na Ghana out of 10 regions and there 16 regions. Sa region when kuano contribution to the GDP no over 80%. It's over 80 undoubtedly. Nampacha sa wo medunsia. Na sa wo ba ko. Ono kuano na show more than 80%. Na 15 no aka no. Eche 20% no. Na mob e base ayeye bi esa wode ma wo ma no na wacha de ama wo mu aka no na ba ko no a oti nanim fifire o sai no ho fifire da bia no o hwe wo no onya hwe wo mu a na aniwu pa aniwu ana ya ka Ghana show United Gold Coast Convention nipa kokofa baaye who saw mayor say a Jeff and Woodian of the Western region has say, Pa Grant, George Alfred Grant. We ran about to be me would be a dear kind of memoir. Now yet to miss university, a whole nation's university. Our na ya dia to CK Tedam. The highest achievement in his life, was the chairmanship of the NPP Council of Elders. Yet the university at the Atono. Then the party, first political party, Ghana, and Namsuma CPP, a buyer, CPP at the Takwa Nzema line, and yet in the CPP near Kwalancho in the South Pond. And then the first black person ever to have gone to school. And this man did not just go to school, he became the first black professor in Germany. What you say? You can't throw the chair, say, Buzi and the first Ghana's professor. Buzi and no chair, you will 1703. Now, Professor Anton William Amo from Axim. Yet the first black person ever to have gone to school. Onuna Marcus Garvey ekokosu anu who say na say bibini bi etumi kwa country na Germany philosophers nkwa no ko BT won professor at University of Halle, University of Leipzig, University of Wittenberg, University of Hampstead, one black person and time what deliver the first thesis trying to say de jure moratorium in Europe, the rights of black people in Europe. No kasa na chancellor of the university a man is also said the black star. Marcus Garvey used the term the black star in Kurumako who you are the bag Ghana. Not the two Ghana your flag in the middle. Nipa ni fre Axim. Then you see university the two CK Tedam, Council of Elders chairman of the MPP. No man here kwe any man I say yakwechi. Yakwe any man I say yakwechi. Na Western region obi ati say akwabi de kobi ochere da komebwa regional
Mr. Onabutu
Mr. yeah akaimemu ya kachi no Mr. Metiatete me asanti memu offenso tiase me school ho na me call Kumasi High School na mpese me hu me ma me kurom so ne ekoso na me ba 6 form secondary St. John's na asanti memu wo ka bema awo ya brantia e fe na ko abi kana kwa wonya boni bia sakwan ana momo dia na moka honorable no wrong constitution ne nkyerɛ sɛ obi a woyɛ assemblyman ana sɛ woyɛ MPS yɛ fra honorable edi baabia ane yɛ ntro a yɛtwa ede hoahoa akromfoɔ no mo bokro no ne mo ne yɛ fra no honorable what is Kwame Nkrumah yɛbɔ ne di me yɛ fra ne His Excellency pen ana honorable pen wa mekum ne ho ama o man what is Mandela yɛ fra ne honorable ana His Excellency wa kum ne ho ama South Africa Obama what is your friend honorable Trump ne Putin one more yeti wondi wo wiase no what is your friend be honorable nti mi so ankama mi nti ekura so be honorable it is not in the constitution it is not in any law in this country near me ne say or your Western Regional Minister minimisi friend Kobi wachere dako minimisa sabe so kame me maame emma ho anka last born kura wonduru if you say me no tie me ya ban djuma anka bi anka ma pension ana wonduru me baby ana sabe wanya krachi ni so ensene me na niama me bo afu ne kase e chen bibia na me no tiga say e kasa no enese on my way ya shisha ya constitution no 1979 constitution 79 I was about 15-16 years old na me say sa constitution ne permit chiefs mo mu ya politics enti minim say agogo constituency nipa o stand here no really on the ticket of the Popular Front Party agogo hine na akoko sapon ana edu 1992 dia no so no muntie ne ye 1992 dia no so no ahimfo Governor Gogisberg describe one said the natural leaders of the people mas obi ani baby ahimfo efriba ukuro me hene wo chen hene obi anim na shase nso ono ne wo chen hene wote ase asante hene enfante hene ya na wo mu ne adehia di yanim na niema Gogisberg kaso mu ya natural leaders of the people ameso meji tumu no ene say asase biara abuama enne abeka Ghana asase ho no eye wahini bi asase otherwise nkenka ya asase ho and so if you can imagine that as you sit there na say ya kase Jubilee failed epunum ho no eye part of Jomoro Municipal Assembly and that is the reason why it becomes part of Ghana na say Ghana ne Ivory Coast ye kokro chimanso ni ye kase ye Ghana asase ni ye tu oil efri ho no mu efri ho no enya compensation wo mu nya royalties no mu akwan enya papa enya Jomorofo nko the entire Western region what you say now when you say yes CCI
for sure
when you say yes CCI
sure because daddy me other regions not secondary takra there when you say a big city and I say nice city and as a city be more fepa nyoma koso but the moment I be rock room takwa nenu ani
na wo ya ho
na ra ho
enso ahafo no kanino na ka mu nya kwadwofo sa wo fa ti say sikafo amantam na hwade ankase a esi so any beach road so the individuals no they have done a lot to help themselves but government has not done anything to help them na ne meto so aka ba e fa ne say abrante no kobi no ni din ba mu no ene say Okosia, the coordinating council, Western region. Nature say, Niamike, all directors of education, health, kind of say, ministries in customs, soldier for, police for, will be a fire service, and your friends, municipal and then district chief executive, metropolitan, Omina. Now, some commodity anymore, no Mushiano. And then you should know that that meeting was for the political heads of the country. Na mekasa mesan komachi 1999 constitution no the natural leaders of the people Gogisberg making sure say those days parliament in the legislative assembly and to make sure say him for shada elect won nipa ebetena ho fi say wo mu na asase no eya one dia and 79 constitution no so ya dia him for e ka ho mutumi ya politics eya ambassadors ya ministers 92 they wanted to silence chiefs silence won kura ni akotena baby and you say chiefs cannot play politics and by so doing and no na politicians nibi te send you elembele MC ayache no the handcuff gun nsa so ye galamsey anonya me na make o mi gun animu ase o masa before so be MC no I am a client but I don't sit here to defame anybody or to praise anyone. I'm talking as a citizen of Ghana among the 31 million people. It is no example about somebody. Me sanso tie bakruwa katamu ni baby a se kobi no se ne security man o se ne driver edi ni sika ya galamse sika edi dwane cross border am if western region how number be a body din so ya galamse ya galamse baby ya body din e ma president kura ebe defending no so you defending the ochina because defamation what they make kokko no be my popular no we ni so me ni takukura me ditua nika se me ni ajapade bia wo wiase me japade na ono afa no woni nam market circle ha just one who need dan papa bia se kobi dia nti me hia ne paasa kwane me mienu ebe face no ba ba kire se ye nokura na se enye nokure na papa we no wahia political leaders of the region na Jomboro municipal chief executive ewurano na enam se wonni na djuma because yakase chiefs cannot play politics and that means politicians cannot also play chieftaincy and the constitution makes it so clear under article 272 article 277 ni na wo say even the parliament of Ghana any to me so mbehye mre biara ebetieti ahemfo fa hudie so ana ebeka ahinsam and the president of Ghana any to me so beka ahinsam biara nti it's like two waters we nam ha we nam ka ne yese pra no ofin wo mum nti ahinsam no politics ya the 92 constitution no obia enko na maami we ko bisa say ahemfo bi ha adwene ewo Nzema mu hesei and nanka me fi say sabe yesi yasuma obanyansafo yansuma anamontenten nti nanka maame na yamfom so no na yesi so bi afum kuma yamfom nyede yamfom nya nanka esa okire daako a ye kobi no me se memfa honorable nso so e kana fo na ye mistake honorable one na ye honorable one na ye nkoma na ye friend honorable we mu ye honorable dey na o ma achieve for the country even for himself na sa brand here we instead so be tia maame no some sraw ahinsam yen kanwo politics bedwam second can you prove a hinibi or once in my memu and western region our the chieftaincy petition abatu wanim nanka wo dia silence sa ewura no owo hafasini no rather you answer the say obi anhwe ye mu amotiya nyina obi anhwe ye na oni ohini ayen gazette no endi ana ambo now mami na womi so yem from so there but one can say some chiefs who have not been gazetted are creating problems here. Also there are a lot of chieftaincy problems in the Jomboro area. Then that means you have a preconceived motion or notion against certain people or certain chiefs who have not yet been gazetted. And by so saying, the consequences, ebine say ja ene beto obi ekura ase e wo Jomboro na baby ya wo western region ha because he met the entire region na wo fire service o hino wo krom ho ono ne bat ono ne the natural leader of that land no fire service ha their question e baby sa no na nampacha wo gazette because president Akufo-Addo name sini no ha no o se min kan kire mo so obi ayen gazette no me nindi. So this is the problem. And then I am for Hano, Omuya Mario, Womuya me mobon and say, Sequoia Ukrum Achim, and now Missy Ekrum Asante Memua. And that moment in what cancer Asam Noara and Anke man reply. Nanka that day in Kamijidis or Tum for catch and they say, on from the Juma and toward the entra, or Tum for say to the second or Tia Kunyaso, Yan Gazateno. When here, I mean, what is Gazette? And what is the meaning of a chief? You can't say chief. Chief no beer. And ya bind a yin or Ghana. And ya bind a sihine. Wo beer were free a bushia or mudia communum. Na bushiano ato. You can't say a conyana ato. You can't say a conyata. A kwami and son of conyana fasuto. Others so bitter so your tuno. And answer abdication where Giles were nibium. And answer were whoop. Never were woody any of bushianara. ayi nipa foforo ade na fa custom anasa mamre kwan so ade no asi akonya so wono no wahene nti when there is argument say when na yo hene e wo court a enya gazette no eye wahene na application na waye ade akwa National House of Chiefs ni age na tum say we yo hene ni ade ni di aba register ni mu na che say ya gazette you don't need government recognition or registration in order to call yourself a chief in Ghana. And so the team for who doesn't want to be under any government control has not gazetted himself. It is a worker asem we ya na che say wadi ahimfu nyina atem